Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Okay? Sige na.
Galing!
Boleh. Ay, sabi.
Tawagin na. Sawa-sawa. Hintay score.
Di yung music yun.
Dali. Wait. Wait. Mami music.
Kung ka naman yung mirata ya. The music ba? Ang sautani ka.
Ayan, bongga.
Okay na.
Teka. Wala pang video.
Chairman yung camera ko ha. Natatakbo ba nung ligo? Bukatambali kami. Sabi sa wawag kami rata ya. When na ba yung sabi? Look na sa ulit yaman yung mirata.
Manood kayo! Manood!
Okay.
Yala!
1, 2,
Ilaw ah.
action.
Ibutay ka mo naman. Sound ka. Sound.
Okay na yun.
Happy
Wow!
birthday!
Amazing! Oh my God! What? Oh my God! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ivan! Mama! Thank you everyone! Oh my God! I'm shy! I am celebrity!
Kaya nga ako photographer ako.
Iyak na yan! Thank you very much, everyone! Happy birthday, Ate Persia! Why? Buti mo yun.
Sino? Saan? Hindi ka makapagdaro-daro kami mabagyan.
So here is our celebration here. Jollibee. It's very good Jollibee. Wow. It's Chicken Joy from Jollibee. And this is from Sir Muhammad's Treats for Everyone. Cake, birthday cake, many things to eat. Noodles, what do you call this? Lumpiang Shanghai, fruit salad, and bulong pandan, and grilled fish.
I haven't finished the joke yet.
Can you put it?
Oh, it's very heavy.
360. You know the picture? 360.
360.
Can you put in 360? You know how?
Beauty cam.
Huh? You know?
360.
Ha?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Nakalimutan pala ilagay yung juice.
Not good.
Okay, everybody
I
take
don't
picture.
talk to anyone.
Wait, take
This
picture
is very
everybody,
problem.
please.
Kaya number?
Yes. Take picture para.
Kinahal yung chances ni Kuda.
Hindi, yung una ko.
Maghintay kayo dyan na Dubai pagdating ni Ate Mars dyan.
Pwede yun naman ikra.
Kailangan may ganito kayo ha.
Red carpet.
Kailangan may ganito kayo.
Yung una yung ito pa yun.
Andito na si Prinsesa.
Si Revelation ka.
Yan.
Nasaan ang salita? Wala? Pakinggan mo. Mamaya makaano mo.
Oh. Hindi, mag-video ka rin. Ate Mars, mag-video ka rin na nagsasalita ka dito.
Oo.
Magsasalita ka, mag-video ka.
Ano mag-video ka?
Hindi, magsasalita ka.
Naka-video.
Ano?
Picture na kang dalaga yun.
Today is my 68th birthday. Thank you. I would like to... Huwag mo videohin ha.
Ay, wala pa, wala pa. Si Samsa.
Say
Gumaya
thank
pa
you
ito na
very
dahil
much,
mapasugod.
Sir Muhammad,
Paling
for this birthday, surprises.
Dubai niyan, kaso ang supplier namin.
And thank you, my co-workers here in...
Welcome.
Oh, binibideo mo na?
Hindi.
Ako nag-
Trial lang to.
Sige na.
It's amazing, Eric.
With red carpet.
Not good.
Yan.
Ano, ulitin ulit?
Hindi na, magsasalita
Hindi
ka
na.
lang.
Okay. Oh my God.
Saglit pa natin mo. Sorry, ang natin mo.
Oh, mainit na. Pinapawisan na si Bina.
So,
Saglit natin mo.
okay, saglit. Hello everyone. So today is my, huwag mo nang ano.
Not
Today
good.
is my 68th birthday. I can't really imagine I can reach this age. This, And,
Hindi pa si
thank you very much, my co-workers here to, to make this
The decorations and the preparations. Food preparation.
Prepare the food. Prepare this one here.
I think Marja, not good.
And thank you very much, Sir Muhammad, for your treats.
Ate Mercy, yung flower mo nakababa.
Hindi ko pa sinasabi
Ah,
kung ano
chicken
ako
to
eh.
very good.
Bakit kinuhanan nyo?
Pwede namang
Sige
i-edit
na,
dyan.
ipahin na mo natin, Mars.
Wala pa, si Mas.
Hindi pa eh. Hindi pa nga ako. Ano ito? Lanta na?
Hindi naman. Ganda nga eh.
Okay. Alright.
Iinit na yung...
Action na?
Sige, action.
Dalhin.
Ready?
Hindi yung problem.
Hello everyone.
Okay na, si Mas?
Sige. Ready.
Oh,
1, 2, go!
Take 3.
Hello everyone. So I just want to thank you to all of you for preparing this food and delicacies for my 68th birthday. Thank you, Lord, that I reached this age. I'm so grateful, and from my alaga, from Muhammad Al-Rashid, for treating us this Jollibee Chicken Joy. We Filipinos love this. Thank you so much, Musi. I really appreciate your effort to do this for my birthday. We love it. I'm so emotional. Fruit salad,
Buko pandan. Buko pandan.
buko pandan, and grilled fish. Now, we can share this tonight. So, have fun. Thank you very much, my co-workers, for surprising me for these flowers and red carpet with, what do you call this?
With the glitters.
With golden...
Pasabog.
We called it, you know,
Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag yan.
is, I don't know. So,
Putok.
that's it.
Puputok. Okay.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Ate Marcia.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Ayan, nawala na. Naplo na pala. Naplo na pala. Oh, sige na. Go, go na. Eating time. The party. Resume.
That's why hot pizza. Why you open?
Why ba?
Kain na!
Kain na na!
The aircon is not too.
Bakit namatay?
Oh, sige na, dato.
Yala, go, 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 go. Eating time.
Yala.
Mamaya na yung ano, no?
Yala, sabi.
Lagay mo dito sa kuha.
Samer.
Ano yan?
Yala.
Ha?
Naka-live ka?
Hindi, ano lang to recorded.
Oh, sige. Sige, kain na ng views na. Sige. Uy, dala niyo muna si Smack doon.
Sige.
Please.
Saan dito?
Lagyan mo muna si Smack. Isang ganyan. Tapos, bigyan mo ng ano. Sige, mag-prepare para kay Smack doon.
Pagkain mo na ng pansit, hindi no? Nandun ako.
Sabi, kamay mo sa barat tilapia na. Wait, ka sa susa.
Tingnan nyo yung red carpet para hindi kayo natatalisod.
Bali na?
Hindi. Titingnan nila para hindi natatalisod. Hindi sanay ng may red carpet eh.
Kaya pala ayaw niya ako pa. May red carpet talaga.
Talaga, inarkila pa namin yan.
Yala, Santi.
Yala, eat.
Now eat.
Tama na.
Mas maganda ba yung bulaklak mo?
Jangan yan.
Kain na.
Ang natin mo, ang pinaiiyak.
Bawal mo tuman.
Naiiyak sa gutom.
Celebran.
Chef, wala kang ano doon? Sweet chili sauce?
Jollibee yan?
Pag may ketchup naman dyan, pwede yan.
Bakit wala pa yung video ako dito sa maliit?
Video ko, video kami.
Video ko pero biglang napisil ko yung
Nag-lock.
oh. Shutter niya.
Ay, ito, kambak.
Wala mo ako kasi ng ano dyan, yung isang picture dito. Okay.
Alit. Akil ma.
Yung sa red carpet, gusto ko ano nandito sa
Alit.
meron ko kasi yung chairman ng red carpet.
Meron pa rin pagka...
Hindi sanay sa iconic.